And he did not let it go.
All right. Introducing first on his way to the cage. Representing the blue team, here's Jack Hammer McHale.
We have Jack from SBG Charlestown, Coach Roddy there, supporting him. It's a little bit different opponents now from SBG Charlestown and SBG HQ. You can see the crowd over there.
Everybody's energized by this song again. Party boys.
Party boys.
Everybody in the crowd's having a really good time. And from where I'm from, we know that the Irish are really good at pumping up in the crowd.
Oh my God, they can't beat Irish people in the crowd.
You just can't. You cannot. And I can't deny that.
And his opponent, representing the red team, please welcome to the cage, Tony Chicken Mauler Zuniga.
Another party boy. Let's go.
Oh, with American flag and all.
Here we go. USA. Michigan Mauler makes sense. So we've got Battle of the Islands here.
He just came with the American flag. He's showing the American game now. And Tony actually, he's lost a lot of weight in this program. He posts on his social media how proud and how happy he is with this program.
Absolutely transforming.
It's unbelievable. He posts, he's so happy with this program.
Here we go. We've got two heavyweights on the board, Jack Hammer, McHale Rowe, and Tony Michigan Mauler Zuniga. Both at heavyweight. You can expect some heavy action here, folks. Big punches, big kicks.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing your fighters. In the corner to my right, fighting in the blue corner, representing Ireland, he's Jack Hammer McHale.
A lot of focus in those eyes.
Contact.
And to my left, representing the red team, fighting out of the red corner, from the United States of America, here's Tony, the Michigan Mauler Zuniga.
These men are locked eyes and not blinking.
These eye contact from SBG Charlestown. Wow.
Jack is ready to go. Tony's ready to go. Here we go, folks. Heavyweight bout. Jack in the southpaw stance here. Nice high guard. Tony looking very composed as well. Good low kick there off the start here from Jack. And a good left hand too from Jack down the pipe. Catches the kick into the ground we go.
Wow. Tony, he just got the opportunity from that kick. And he got the takedown.
Worked his way into mount now. Straight into full mount.
He was very focused. He knew what he was doing.
And you see too when these boys just start, they're not sweaty yet, and they are really grippy. It's harder to slip out of these positions, so you can see the control from there from Tony. Jack's working hard to get some space here though.
Very tight, very tight.
He's keeping his opponent sucked down on him just to stop the damage, but he needs to start working the escape. There we go, he's posting up. He's trying to get a bridge going. He's sucking onto him now, just trying to stop a bit of this damage, but...
That's nice shots from Tony.
He needs to start working out of here, or the ref isn't going to like it.
That was nice frame from Tony.
Some good punches coming down.
He's exposing his back.
He's throwing his knee on that arm. It's going to be hard to defend himself with that arm. Ref's looking on. He's going to stop this if he can't defend himself, if he can't get out of here. The ref's giving him an opportunity to stop the punches, but it's not. It is over, folks. It is it. Tony, the Michigan Mauler, and he could not be happier.
Wow.
He could not be happier.
Wow. What this crowd
He's got a
behind.
lot of support here.
A lot of support from Tony, and he got the opportunity. He knew what he was doing. He got that leg.
Big smiles and great sportsmanship there from Jack.
But I hear
Love to
USA
see it.
chant there.
Jack actually landed a beautiful left hand down the pipe too, but this takedown
All right, ladies
sealed
and
it.
gentlemen, we have a winner by stoppage of 1 minute and 22 seconds in the first round. To the winner, for the red team, Tony, the Michigan Mauler, Zuniga.
That was an amazing fight.
Let's keep your hands together for Jack.
I know it was short, but it had it all, didn't it? It had great positional control there in the jiu-jitsu side, and great striking also from Jack.
That was impressive.
Yeah.
Impressive. And the most thing as well, like, well done to Jack. You know, like from SBG, well done to the blue team from SBG.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just been informed by Mr. Coach John Kavanagh.
We've got a points update here.